In this video, I want to talk about reinvesting your dividends on eToro. So currently on eToro, there is no way that you can automatically reinvest your dividends, but you can do it manually. And the easiest way to do this is to head over your portfolio, click here and go to history. From in here, you want to check your dividends history and you will be able to see how much you're getting from your dividends. Then simply check, let's say you got $100 in dividends, and then you can just reinvest those $100 that you got from your dividends. So like I said, you cannot do this automatically as of this date currently, but maybe in the future you'll be able to do that. But for now, doing it manually is okay if you just take your history, and that is basically how you can do that. Keep in mind you should sort by the date here when you check for your dividends. So right now it's only showing the last 30 days. So that is how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.